I got a package. I'm so excited. I'm gonna open it with you. My friend over at According to Cicely had this on her Amazon Travel Essentials haul, and I am so excited. I got me one. I think you'll probably like it too. Let's open it up. All right, y'all, it's a cell phone mount that you can put like on the airplane, like attach it to either the seat or the tray in front of you. So excited. And look, it's like travel friendly. It collapses down to this little size. This is the clip that you would clip it to something. You could put it on a table or anything. And then this is where you attach your cell phone. But the best thing, and she demonstrated, that's why I was like, oh, I have to have that, is it goes all different directions. So pretend like your cell phone is right here, and you can have it like going this way to watch a movie, or you can turn it and have it this way to watch TikTok. Go backwards, forwards, to the side. I mean, isn't that awesome? Thank you, Cicely.